Are you dreaming of starting your own business in 2025 but unsure how to secure the funding? You are not alone. Many aspiring entrepreneurs face these challenges. Today, we will walk you through the essential steps to get a bank loan for your business, ensuring you are well prepared to turn your vision into reality. Step 1. Understand the requirements. First, familiarize yourself with the key requirements that banks typically look for when approving a loan. These includes personal and business credit score. Aim for a personal credit score of at least 680, as this is often required for traditional bank loans. A strong business credit score, ideally a PAYDEX score of 75 or higher, can also boost your chances. Annual revenue. Most lenders expect your business to generate revenue $100,000 to $250,000 in annual revenue annually. This shows that your business had handled loan repayments. Time in business. Generally, banks prefer business that have been operational for at least 2 years. However, if you are a startup, having a solid personal credit history and a well-structured business plan can help. Step 2. Develop a strong business plan. Your business plan is crucial. It should clearly outline your business goal and objective, detailed financial projection including expected revenue and expenses, a clear explanation of how you intend to use the loan funds. These plans not only demonstrate your commitment but also reassure lenders of your strategy of generating cash flow. Step 3. Explore loan option considering different types of loan available. Bank term loans. These standard loan with fixed repayment terms ensure you meet the qualification including collateral requirements. SBA loans. If you qualify, these loans backed by a small business administration offers favorable terms and lower interest rates. Online lenders. For quicker access of funds, online lenders might have more flexible requirements, though interest rates can vary significantly. Getting a bank loan to start your business in 2025 is entirely achievable with the right perception and preparation. Focus on improving your credit score, crafting a compelling business plan, and exploring various loans options. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Take these actionable steps today to bring your business dream to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and navigating the world of entrepreneurs.